Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video, we had discussed about strings briefly, right? In this video, we are going to discuss conditions and if statements. Python support logical conditions from mathematics. They are is equal to, not equal to, less than or equal to, greater than equal to. These are supported by Python. Let me show this with example. Let me open my text editor, Sublime, and these conditions return either true or false. If the condition true, it will return true or false. If the condition is false, it will return false. Let me show this. 10 is equal to 10. It is true, right? That's why it returned true. And let me run this. Control B. C. 2. 10 not equal to 10. It's false. So that's why I run this. False. We also use strings for it also. This condition work in case of strings also. Basha equal to Basha. 2. C. 2. Equal not equal to here. False. And also less than, greater than. To explain this, I'm creating variables. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, C is equal to 5. A greater than C. Let me run that. Control B. C 2 because 10 is greater than 5. That's why 2. If I take B here, so B here, control B. False because 10 is not greater than 20. Greater than or equal to also you can use. Let me change value of B to 10. Then control B 2 because we use greater than or equal to and A value B value is 10. That's why it is 2. We can use less than or equal to also. Control B 2 because we have used it less equal to, right? Use C. Control B to expand this. 2. 5 is less than 10. B is 10, right? These are the logical conditions for mathematics supported by Python. These conditions can be used in several ways, most commonly in if-else statements. Now we are going to talk if-else statements. That's why I explained this in here. The if-else is used in Python for decision making. Decision making is required when we want to execute a code only if a certain condition is satisfied. Let me now Python syntax. So for if-else, see the Python syntax for if-else. If the condition and colon. If the condition is true, it executes the condition in the it run the code inside the if block. If the condition is false, it will go outside. It will come to else block and execute the code in else block. The if condition have to end with colon. See the flowchart to make it clear. Let me explain with if else with the flowchart. See the flowchart. See if condition is true, it will go to body of if and execute the body of if, and if your condition is false, it will go to else code, right? Let me explain the if else with simple program. Okay, I'm going to take a number input from the user. I already explained how to input from the user using input keyword. I'm going to give a prompt. Sorry. Enter a number. Right. I'm going to write a program to check the number is positive or negative number. If number is greater than 0, it is positive, right? So print positive, else print negative. Right, I'm going to save this. It's better to execute this in CMD, not in Sublime, because we are taking input from the user. The input function not work properly in Sublime, so I'm going to open my command prompt. I'm going to change the color to make it visible clearly. Yes, I think now it is visible. I'm in my directory. My code is in program1.py, so I'm going to type my program name, program1.py. It is asking for entering number to 10. It is a positive. I'm going to execute again. If I give a negative number, it will give negative. See. Okay. And Python relies on indentation. To define scope in the code, Python relies on indentation. Other programming languages like C, C++, Java uses curly braces for this purpose. If we miss this indentation, here, this 4 tabs of space, 1, 2, 3, 4 tabs of space, it will give indentation error. Let me show that also. Execute this, like you execute the code like this, it will give indentation error. See, expected indented black, indentation error. Okay guys, that's it for this video friends. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.